Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday, March 31st, and the first day of online learning. So I wanted to post a video again now that I have watched you guys use Google Classroom a little bit more. Ooh, look who it is. Okay. I've realized there are some things I needed to tell you, okay? And I'm going to give you a mini lesson on perimeter at the end of this just to jog your memory because I know it's been a while. So the first thing I want to talk about is how many assignments you're going to be doing. In my class, there's 2 daily assignments and 1 weekly assignment. So our 2 daily assignments are a check-in, which it's not really an assignment, but it's just a little form for you to fill out to tell me how you're feeling and what you've been thinking about. And it's totally private, so anything that you type in there, only I can see. And I'm also going to use it as like a form of attendance to see that, okay, he completed the daily check-in, he's here. And then the second daily assignment is going to be, like today it's the perimeter review quiz. So it'll just be around 10 questions about whatever topic we're reviewing. And everything we're doing really is going to be review, except for the 2 lessons I'm going to teach you on Thursday and Friday. Those are going to be the last 2 lessons I would have taught you in person at school. So those are our daily assignments. You'll have those 2 assignments every day. And then the one thing you need to get done every week is your 45 minutes of Success Maker, just like you would do in my classroom. So you could do 15 minutes each day, okay? Or you can do 45 minutes in a day, or you can break it up however you want to do it. I am still going to update the questions on Prodigy. So if you want to play Prodigy, you can, okay? And you can use your login info. And if you cannot get your login info for some reason, let me know. And I think there's a way I can get it to you. So those are your assignments. And then, hey, can you do me a favor when you type and use capitalization and punctuation? Because, you guys, Miss Barry and other people are seeing this, and your typing's a little scary. Let's make Miss Gordon proud. When you type a sentence, make the first letter the big letter. Okay, you can hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and the letter that you want to make large. Capitalization. Okay. And that's also for proper nouns. Like Miss Durso, you capitalize the M and the Miss and the D in the Durso. Okay, your own name, you should have a capital letter at the front. Okay, and also punctuation, which means if it's a statement, you put a period at the end, and if it's a question, you use a question mark. The next thing I want to tell you is that if you guys are hungry at home, or mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, whoever's in charge is having trouble, coming up with enough food or not wanting to go to the grocery store or whatever they need to do to feed you, okay, you can go to Winbrook Elementary every day with an adult, Monday through Friday. So that means not on Saturday and Sunday, okay? Monday through Friday from 11 a.m. until 1 p.m. You can go by the cafeteria, okay, and they'll give you food, all right? And so then the last thing I want to do is I just want to do my mini perimeter review with you, okay? So this isn't high tech. Guess what I have here? It's scrap paper. Yay! You're going to need paper to show your work, okay? Please make sure you have some. So here's my mini perimeter review. So now remember that song I taught you, the Frosty the Snowman song? Area and perimeter can be tough to figure out. Perimeter is the fence around. So add the sides you found. Okay, so don't count the squares inside of the shapes today, guys. Perimeter is all about the outside edge of the shape. So for example, if we want to find the perimeter of this shape, we will not count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, what you would do is you take your pencil or your finger or whatever, and you're going to trace the outside edge of the shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so the perimeter of that shape is 14. Okay, so same thing here. Is that backwards on the camera? Sorry. So we're going to trace the edge 1, 2. Oh, it's different than being in the classroom, huh? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cat. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so the perimeter on this shape, after I trace all the way around, is 16. Okay, and that's 16 units. Not square units, but units. Okay, sorry, I know this is a little weird to look at, but anyway, so square units are just for area, right? So we're not looking at square units with perimeter, just regular units or inches or feet or meters or whatever, okay? So then the next thing we're going to look at is finding the perimeter of a shape like this, where there's no squares inside. So here we have a rectangle and a square. Now you guys learned when we learned about shapes that these two shapes have different qualities. Okay, what makes a square special and unique, one of the things that makes it different from a rectangle, is even though they both have 4 right angles, you know, rectangle, okay, a square has 4 equal sides and a rectangle doesn't. So if you see a square and they're telling you that this side is 2, what does that mean about all these other sides? They're also all 2, right? So what would the perimeter of this shape be? Perimeter is add up all the sides, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which equals what? Do you know what 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals? It's 8. Is it? Come on. Sorry.